Everybody says butterflies are pretty. See all those right there? They're feasting upon the remnants of the blood from the snake. Zebra swallowtails, other swallowtails, and I don't know what those are. There's a whole crap load of them. Must have been 50 butterflies right there. There's more down here. I don't know why they're down this one. I haven't done anything down here. Oh yeah, I dumped out coffee grounds over here. There's little purple ones flying around. Oh yeah, and while I'm at it, big surprise. I tore it down. Almost took the window out doing it. It hits down. I got to get in there and cut it up and get it out of there. But, little bit at a time, my love. A little bit at a time. I missed you. I missed you bunches. I wish you were here, sweetheart.